So, in the exercise 12.3, we are going to learn combinations of the figures. So, when you combine some figures, here also same areas only. So, the first question is given that find the area of the shaded region of the figure. One figure is given, we are going to draw the figure under, and if that figure is circular shape is given to you, circle, and the center O, and the diameter is QR, and here some point is taken P. This is the point P. And here it is given that PQ is equals to, first question here, given PQ is equals to 24 centimeters. This is 24 centimeters. Okay. And PR is equals to 7 centimeters. PR is equals to 7 centimeters. This is 7 centimeters. And O is the center of the circle. And asking you to find out the shaded region. This region is shaded here. This region is shaded. This shaded region area is asking. See here, it is not a single. It is combination. Combination means ये some part है, ये some part है. And दोनों parts को include करना है. That area we need to find out. And once you think about this one, so whenever you are taking this triangle, QR is a diameter, and we don't know the radius of the circle. Radius find out करना है तो QR find out करना है. QR you are going to get it in easiest way. And how do we find out the this shaded region area? You need to think about it. So how do we find out? You will complete this semicircle, area of the semicircle. From this area of the semicircle, area of this triangle, you have to subtract. And that triangle, whenever you are observing, it is a right angle triangle. Why? Because, can you say, here 90 degrees will be there. Since the angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees, angle P is 90 degrees. So it is right angle triangle. When it is right angle triangle, the angle where right angle is forming, the two sides should be taken into consideration. Two sides should be, and that is one base and height. So base and height, if you are having area, you can find out. It's not a very difficult thing. Area you can find out. So area find out the and diameter. How do we find out the radius of the circle? How do we find out the radius of the circle? That is very important. So radius of the circle, how do we find out here? So whenever you are considering, radius is simple. This is first right angle triangle. So you have to observe, since angle in semicircle is 90 degrees, angle P is equals to 90 degrees. Therefore, you can say that by Pythagoras theorem, QR square is equals to PQ square plus PR square. So PQ is 24 square plus 7 square. 24 is 576 and this is 49. Dono I have value 625, which is 25 square. So you are going to get QR is equals to 25 centimeters QR. So this implies that radius of the circle R is equals to 25 by 2 centimeters. It is 25 by 2 centimeters. Now area of the triangle PQR is equals to half into base PR you consider, then the height becomes PQ. So half into 7 into 24. 12 7s are 84 centimeters. Now what to do here? Area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle is equals to half pi r square. So until and unless it mentioned 22 by 7 only to be taken here. Half into the pi value is 22 by 7 and the radius is 25 by 2 and here also 25 by 2. Just what you have to simplify it. Value find out. So 2 11s and 2 so cancel by 625. So 11 into 625 by 7 to 14. इसको divide करके value find out करना है. So that part I am referring to you, I think so it is very easy part to take, just calculation. And then after what I have to write here, area of the shaded region, area of shaded region, this is equals to area of semicircle minus area of triangle PQR. So this whatever the value you get, that minus 84. Did you understand here? समझ में आया? हाँ?
सर लास्ट पार्ट समझ में नहीं आया.
ये which one? This one. Area of the circle. Area of the circle you will not understand. Area of the semicircle. इसमें क्या करना है? Simple here. Area of the semicircle. Semicircle half pi r square because this is half pi r square. And half into pi value 22 by 7. R value is 25 by 2. R value is 25. 25 value substitute करना है. And this value you are going to get in decimals. Because cancellation is not possible. You have to multiply and divide by the 14. Multiply and divide by the 14. So that the value whatever you are getting, that value to be taken into consideration. Did you understand here? Then
Yes, sir.
After getting the solution,
Sir, the
yes.
area of circle is equals to half pi r square. Sir, there should be 11 into 625 by 7 into 4 na sir.
7 28 आ गया ना? Yes, 28. Yes. 28 आ गया. So उसको simplify करना है. Multiplication and division part I am leaving to you as a homework. Can you do it? Just I am giving to you the multiplication and division part. Means just numbers multiply करना है और कुछ नहीं है. Simple है. Is it okay? Can you do it? Yes, you can do it. It's not a very difficult to you. So let us move to the next
Yes,
question.
sir.
Yes. Tell me. Next, second question. And you are not supposed to leave the answer in your notebooks and in the exam also like that. Completely, you have to find out the value. And in the exam, I can give you suggestion that these type of the calculations can be done at last week as well. Okay. So second question is given to you. Find the area of the shaded region of the figure 12.20. So what is given here? Simple question here. A complicated question here. Just I'm going to give it to you. Two concentric circles are given to you. Two concentric circles like this with the center O. And asking you shaded region if the radii of the two concentric circles with the center O like this, center O, it is given to you. Radius is given. Radius of the two concentric, one is 7 centimeters, another one is 14 centimeters. So A 7 centimeters, A 14 centimeters, and this part is shaded. Here it is given A, B, C, D. This is the thing. And angle is given to you here 40 degrees. Angle is given to you 40 degrees. So what you need to do here? Two concentric circles, angle AOC is given to you. First you have to find out the sector area, this sector area. Area of the shaded region means OAC sector. Sector OAC, area you have to find out. The radius is given to you 14 centimeters. OA is equals to 14 centimeters. OA and OC are 14 and OB is equals to 7 centimeters. So you have to subtract that one. Okay? समझ में आया? Can you do it? Complicated problems I will explain to you, and this is very simple here. You are not complicated. Just area of the shaded region is nothing but area of the sector OAC minus area of the sector OBD. So this sector area is nothing but 40 degrees by 360 degrees into pi 14 square. Here 40 degrees by 360 degrees into pi 7 square. And simplify करना है तो area of the shaded directly I am doing here. Area of the shaded region. First, little bit you have to write the steps here. So from this 40 means 9 आ जाएगा. इधर भी 9 आ जाएगा. So we are going to do that say 1 by 9. 1 by 9 आएगा. So 1 by 9 pi. Pi also you can take the formula. So 14 square minus 7 square. So which is equals to pi by 9. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है तो 14 plus 7 14 minus 7 है थोड़ा इजी हो जाता है सिंप्लीफिकेशन पार्ट. So pi value here to be taken as 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 1 by 9 14 plus 9 14 plus 7 21. So 21 into 7 आ जाएगा. ये 7 7 कैंसिल होगा. 22 into 21 by 9. That's calculation. You can do 14 square means 14 for 14 into 14 also not necessary to you to do this. Like this, according to the situation, you need to change the procedure of multiplication and simplifications. Simplifications थोड़ा सा change करना है. Okay? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Simple problem है. So next third question. So complicated problems let us discuss here because these are the very simple. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure 12.21. So third question, the figure is given to you like this. A square is given to you. Okay. So here ABCD is a square of the side 14 centimeters. The side is 14 centimeters, and here like this, two semicircles are drawn, and asking you to find out this shaded region A. So what is the radius of the semicircle? What to do here? Very simple question here. कुछ नहीं. Area of the square is 14 square. Area of the square and area of the circle. Because two semicircles together makes a one circle, but the diameter of the circle is 14. So radius is 7. So 22 by 7 pi r square. R this is the answer. 14 square minus 22 into 7. 14 square value 196 minus 22 into 7 107 to 14 154. Subtract करो तो final answer आ जाएगा. Simple question here, isn't it? समझ में आया? थोड़ा फास्ट हो जाए कुछ नहीं. Circle area of the circle कर लिया, but you are not supposed to write directly area of the circle. Whenever you are doing this problem, area of the square minus 2 into area of the semicircles, because two semicircles are there whose radius is equals to half of the diameter. The diameter is here 14. This is 14 14 14 14 is given here. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So next, let us go to the fourth question. So fourth one. So the question is given, find the area of the shaded region 12.22. Figure is given to you. And where is the circular arc? The figure I am going to draw it. A triangle is given to you like this. Like this one circle. Find the area of the shade. This shade, completely everything is shaded here inside. Inside everything is shaded here. This part area you need to find it. Okay? And radius of the circle is given to you 6 centimeters. So this is radius of the circle. So here it is given to you. You can complete the circle. This is 6 centimeters is given to you. 6 centimeters has been drawn at vertex of the equilateral triangle OAB of the 12 centimeters. Here, this is OAB is equilateral triangle. 12 centimeters. So this problem, okay, I will explain. What is given here? Given radius of circle is equals to 6 centimeters and side of equilateral triangle OAB is equals to 12 centimeters. Can you say that the shaded region area will find out what to do? Two ways are there. Area of the sector. See, this is equilateral triangle. So the angle how much hoga? 60 degrees. This problem can be done in two different ways. One is area of the circle find out karo area of the triangle find out करो and area of this sector find out करो. So area of the circle plus area of the triangle minus area of this sector or area of this major sector. ये points you consider C and D. Area of the major sector OCD makes angle 60 degrees, so 300 degrees. So 300 degrees ले लो and उसको area of the triangle add कर लो. Simple problem, वो ऐसे कर दिया. So what to do here? So since triangle OAB is equilateral, angle OAB is equals to 60 degrees. Therefore, OAB you are considering here, and here angle made by major arc CD at O is equals to 360 degrees. Yes, for theta mark 360 minus 60, which is equals to 300 degrees. Therefore, area of the major sector OCD is equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta here what 300 degrees. 300 किधर से आया पता है? Radius is given to you 6 into 6. इसको simplify करो. 6 is 6 5 66 will get cancelled. And 5 is 30 into 22 by 7 centimeters square. What to do here for this? This you keep it aside. And we found what here? This area we found here. ये major sector. This major sector area. Now area of the equilateral triangle. So what is the area of equilateral triangle? Area of equilateral triangle OAB is equals to root 3 by 4 a square. So side is here root 3 by 4 12 square. 12 into 12 4 ones are 4 threes. So we are going to 36 root 3. So दोनों को add करना. So therefore area of shaded region is equals to area of the shaded region is equals to area of major sector OCD. OCD means a small sector आएगा. So major sector mention करना है plus area of triangle OAB. So which is equals to this we are going to 660 by 7. 660 by 7 plus 36 root 3 square centimeters. Centimeters square centimeters. So here actually write square centimeters area. And here centimeter square. What centimeter square you can write area centimeters. Square centimeter also you can write. समझ में आया ये problem?
Yes, sir.
Simple problem, but here calculations only. It includes the more calculations. Calculations ज़्यादा होता है और कुछ नहीं है इसमें. वो simplification. You may get sir if we leave the answer like this, will you get a full marks? Yes, you will get a full marks. No problem. 660 by 7. Where it is possible to you to simplify. See here it is possible to simplify. Cancel कर सकते हैं. They simplify. And in some cases, very complicated answer instead of writing, write in decimals. Decimals में express करके find it out. So you can leave the answer like that. Okay. Next. Problems are not complicated, except 2-3 problems remaining are easy. So fifth problem is given from the centers of the corner of the square. One square is given to you. From the centers, the side of the square is 4 centimeters. At quadrant of the circle of the radius 1 centimeter is cut out. So like this, a square is given and whose side is 4 centimeter. Like this, quadrants of the radius a 1 centimeter. A 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter radius cut out, and here one circle is, and also circle of the diameter 2 centimeters. Circle of the diameter to radius is also 1 centimeter. Okay. Then cut out. Find the area of the remaining portion of the square. Here remaining portion of the square area find out. So what is this one? Area of the square. Area of the square. I am writing here see values. What to do here? Area of the square is 4 centimeters. 4 square minus 2 times the area of the circle. That's all. Why 2 times the area of the circle? 4 quadrants together makes one circle with the radius 1. Same radius. And inside the circle, whatever it is cut out, that is also having the radius 1 only. So 2 circles are cutting out. So cut out from here, so 2 circles area from the subtracted. So what do you get here? 16 minus 2, 1 square. The answer is 16 minus 2. That's what this is the area. Pi value is 22/7 you can take, or you can write it answer as it is answer 16 minus 2. A simple question. Isn't it? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So next. Sixth question. See here, if I am completely just like a completely everything solution is given to you, then you will not able to do it. Just I am giving the ideas to you in the what way you need to do it. And the calculation part I am giving you calculations you have to do it. It's a very simple because you learn the additions, subtractions, multiplications and divisions from the childhood onwards. So can't you do that problems? It's a very simple here. Sixth question is given to you in a circular cover. A radius of the 32 centimeters. A design is formed by leaving an equilateral triangle OAB in the middle as shown in the figure. Find the area of the design. So design here is given. Most of the students will get confused about the design area means what. Just a simple here some design is given to you. Inside one equilateral triangle is part. Equilateral triangular part is left color. So you need to find out. Here it is given to you, some design is given to you, like this some design is given. And inside this shaded, some students may here it is given. Not only this shaded part asking, so this completely this design, a design, and some students may get confused that inside wherever it is shaded lines are there, only that part we need. No, we cannot find that. Completely a pura part. Now here, what is given to you? This is a little bit different. Completely radius of the circle is given to you. Given radius of, so O is the center you consider. Radius of the circle R is equals to 32 centimeters. And what you know the area of the circle minus area of the equilateral triangle. But area of the equilateral triangle to find out. Area of the equilateral triangle to find out, you need to find out the
Side.
Side. Here side is not given. Root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 a square you can use, and you can draw the perpendicular from the A to BC के perpendicular draw कर लिया तो वो center से जाएगा. In the same way, wherever you take into consider. Here you join these two. These two. And if you are joining this, OB is the radius. OB is the radius. Now here if we observe that whenever as given and triangle ABC is equilateral, therefore angle BAC is equal to 60 degrees. Inner 60 degrees. Therefore, angle BOC is equals to 2 times of angle BAC. Because in 9th class, circles concept given. Angle made by a chord at the center is double the angle in its alternate segment. In in which any point if you are taking here, not only here, suppose if you take the circle, ये angle कितना होगा? Suppose here if you take the right side, anywhere you take the point here or here, this angle, ये angle से ये double होगा, even ये angle से ये double होगा, ये दोनों angle equal होगा. In 90 class you will learn that. Angle in the same segment are equal. Angle made by a arc are called at the center is double the angle in its alternate segment. So 60 degrees बोले तो ये double होगा 2 into 60, so which is equals to 120 degrees. So our intention is to find out main radius OB find out करना. OB find out करने के लिए what is necessary to us, that is we need to take into consideration. We are given this OB is given and draw a perpendicular from O. Draw OD perpendicular to BC. Therefore, you can say that when you draw the perpendicular by directly I'm writing by RHS congruency, you can say that triangle OBD is congruent to triangle OCD. OBD, OCD congruent होगा. This implies by CPCD, you can say that BD is equals to CD, which is equals to half of BC, half of 32, which is equals to 60. This is 60. Okay, this is 60, and here whenever you are having this 60, when you drop the perpendicular, this is 32. This you can find. Sorry, side we need to find 32. So what you get here, whenever you are getting half of 32 now. Sorry, BC we don't know that, which is equals to half of the BC. Radius OB is equals to given to us. OB is equals to given. This is 32 given to us, and we need to find out this length. We need to find out this length. A length find out करना. So find out करने के लिए ये angle along with these two parts are equal, and angle BOD is equals to angle COD, which is equals to half of angle BOC. BOC कितना आया हमको 120. So half of 120 is nothing but 60 degrees. You are going to get it 60 degrees higher. Okay, so 60 degrees higher in triangle Pythagoras theorem. You can use that here. One side, one angle is there with us. The other side you can find out using what topic? If you have one angle on one side, you can find out the other any side in a right angle triangle. Using the which chapter?
Trigonometry.
Yes, trigonometry we use that. So we need opposite side, and we are having a hypotenuse. So sine 60 degrees to be taken into consideration. Opposite side is BD by OB. So sine 60 degrees value √3 by 2. So BD we don't know, and OB is equals to 32. So from this BD is equals to 16 √3 centimeters. So this implies BC is equals to double of BD. So 2 into 16 √3, which is equals to 32 √3 centimeters. Therefore, side of the square finding only here in this problem difficult. Now you can find out area of the triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equals to √3 by 4 BC square. √3 by 4 A square. So what do you get here? √3 by 4 BC is equals to 32 √3 whole square centimeter square. And this should be subtracted from the area of the circle. Area of the circle, radius is given to you. So area of the shaded region is equals to area of the circle minus area of the triangle. Can you find out? Did you understand this one? Did you understand better?
सर फिर से रिपीट कीजिए ना, समझ में नहीं आया।
किधर डाउट है आपका? डाउट किधर है? Okay. See here, we are given the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is given to us 32, and the side of this triangle is not given. So side of the triangle, not only the side of the triangle here, anything. See here, the same problem can be done in other way also. If you, but you will compulsory this length. ये length तो हमको चाहिए चाहिए. Half into base into height find out करना है तो भी ये चाहिए. So side चाहिए. We need side of it. So side find out करना है. What I did here, equilateral triangle तो here angle is 60 degrees. Equilateral triangle. So angle BAC is equal to 60. So angle BOC is the double of the 60. 60 से double होता है. Is it? Center पे. The angle made by any arc or any chord at the center is double the angle in its alternate segment. Means other segment में any point किधर भी ले लो, इधर भी ले लो, इधर भी ले लो, wherever you take, वो angle I have shown to you that one also. So double 120 degrees. So 120 degrees. From the O, I have drawn a perpendicular to the BC. BC को perpendicular draw करो. So when you draw the perpendicular, the two triangles OBD and OCD becomes a congruent triangle. Why? We are needed to take the congruency of the triangles here. Because ये BD part and CD part equal होगा and this angle is two angles equal. We need to get a right angle triangle. If you get a right angle triangle, then it is an easy task to find out here. Okay? Did you understand here?
Yes, sir.
So here six ये दोनों angle equal होगा, ये दोनों sides equal होगा. Why? Because OBD triangle and OCD triangle, OBD but OCD triangles are congruent. So by the CP in both the cases, this part is equal to this one, and it is a double of half of the total. And in the same way, angle BOD is equal to angle COD. Angle BOD is equal to angle COD, and which is equals to half of angle BOC. Total angle में half होगा. So 120 degrees में half 60 degrees. So we got angle BOD is equals to 60 degrees. So in this triangle BOD triangle में sin 60 degrees I am taking into consider. Opposite side is BD and hypotenuse is OB. So root 3 by 2 I get sin 60. BD by 32. So BD is equals to 16 root 3. And BD getting after AB 16 root 3 होगा. Total length is double of 16 root 3. That is 34 root 3. Okay? Did you understand here?
Sir.
इधर तक तो समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Now what to do here? Area of the triangle ABC find out. Okay, if you need, I will explain you the complete solution. What is there here? Nothing. Just you have to simplify. Area of the triangle formula, equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4 a square. Equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4 a square. So root 3 by 4 a square. A is side is 32 root 3 we found here. So that I am making it as 4 ones are 4 x. So what do you get here? 8 into 32 into 3 into root 3. Just multiplication. 8 is 24. 32 into 24. 8 is 24. 2 digit multiplication direct method. You know? Just I will explain to you. See here. When you multiply the 2 digits with the 2 digits, it's a Vedic maths method है. Easy multiplication. एक ही step में कर सकते हैं. First you multiply these two, 8. Next you multiply cross multiply. 4 3s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 12 and 4. What do you get? 16. So 61 carry करो इधर 6 लिखो. Next 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 768. 8 step में आता है. Once again. First ये दोनों को multiply करना है. Any number, any 2-digit number with a 2-digit number if you want to multiply. First, ये 2 digits multiply करके इधर देखो. Suppose ये 2 digits, if you get a 2-digit number, suppose if you want to multiply 56 with the 73, 6 3s are 18, 1 carry 18, and 5 3s are 15, 7 6 are 42, 42 and 15, 42 15 cross. एंड दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो 57 हो जाएगा एंड ये 1 ऐड करें 58 सो कैरी में 5 हो जाए 8 होगा 7 5 35 35 plus 4088 आंसर ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई सो लाइक दैट एनी टू डिजिट मल्टीप्लाई these type of the tricks you need to learn समझ में आया सो टू डिजिट मल्टीप्लिकेशन व्हाट डू यू गेट 768 टू 3 centimeter square area of the triangle and area of the circle find out करो so area of the circle separately find out करने का जरूरत नहीं area of the circle find out करो area of circle is equals to pi r square pi value is 22/7 and r value is 32/30 here multiplication only again 32 square find out करना है उसे 22 मल्टीप्लाई करना है so 32 into 32 say 2 2s are 4 6 6 12 1 9 10 1024 or you can some of you may observe ये 2 power 5 2 power 5 sir 2 power 5 to 2 power 5 2 power 10 sir 2 power 10 value 1024 you need to remember powers of 2 you need to remember see these are the things you have to know I always used to say that 20 tables wherever I ask the number you need to ready to say even if you ask me 171 where do you get 99 are 144 where do you get 18 8s are 69s are 108 where do you get 12 9s are 18 6s are so you should be ready to say like this so please revise the tables I always insist you previously also I told you to learn the tables and every day before going to the sleep close your eyes and one table you take into consider and go on revising it then automatically you will get into the sleep and don't use the mobile because the throughout day for the online classes you are using the mobile before going to the bed so many times I told Sharu I think I told you in the assembly also isn't it did I told you in the assembly also last year I told you so avoid mobile अपना ज़्यादा use नहीं करना see here now I am also headset ना use नहीं करना maximum दूर distance लेके पढ़ा because I am selfish I'm selfish that my eyes should be in a proper way. So I should not get affected. So you people also try like that. Maximum avoid करो. इधर avoid कर सकते हैं, उधर avoid करो. Okay? So now here like this. What do you get? 1024. 1024 को 22 से multiply करना है. So 2 से multiply करो. 22 बोले तो 8422. Next again 8402. So 8 12 5 22,528. So 22,528 divided by 7 centimeters square. So area of shaded region is equals to area of the shaded region is equals to area of a circle minus area of triangle ABC. So area of 22,528 by 7 minus 768 minus 38 centimeters square. Like that, you can leave the answer, no problem. See here, it took some time. As one problem, at least one problem, better I thought of explaining. Okay, मैंने explain कर दिया. Multiplications I am leaving to you. Please try to do that multiplication. Now, did you understand very clearly here this problem?
Yes, sir.
इसमें तो कुछ दिक्कत नहीं है ना?
No, sir. Sir.
Yes, tell me better.
Sir, last line में आपने क्या लिखा? Area of
the shaded region is equals to area of the circle area minus area of the triangle area.
Okay, sir.
Okay? समझ में आया ना? प्रॉब्लम तो समझ में आया ना? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Once if you want you see the solution like this. I'll give you 1 minute. Sixth problem हो गया. Seventh one is ABCD is a square of the side 14 centimeters with the circles ABCD drawn each such as each circle touch the externally two remaining circles. Two of the remaining three circles. Three circles में two circles को touch होता है. Figure दे दिया. Find the area of the shaded region. Very simple question that is. I'm not going to give the solution to you, but I will explain to you. One square is given to you like this, 14 centimeters, and here the circles are drawn here like this. One circle is drawn here, and another circle is drawn here, and another circle is drawn here, and another circle is drawn here. This region area it is asking you to find. What to do? This side is 14. Side is 14. Answer directly you can see. 14 square minus area of the 4 quadrant. Area of the 4 quadrant is equal to area of the one circle. Find R. R क्या है? That's 7 square. So 14 square value 196 minus 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 7 cancel. Same. This problem already we have solved previously 154. Same answer you are going to get it. But figure situation is different. Their situation is different. Here situation is really different. समझ में आया?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
See here, very simple. The side of the square is given to you 14 centimeters. 14 centimeters side of the square is given. So when the side is given 14 centimeters, the radius is equals to 7 centimeters, half over. Because this is 7 centimeters, this is 7 centimeters. So all the circles are of the same radius here. Okay. So now here, this shaded region you need to find out means this is quadrant, this is quadrant, this is quadrant, this is quadrant. 4 quadrants will make one circle. So area of this square is equals to 14 square minus area of the 4 quadrants will make the one circle. So area of the circle formula pi r square. Pi r, our radius is 7 centimeters, and 22 by 7 multiplied by 196 minus 54. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Eighth one. So the question is given to you. Here, this is little bit different here. Yeah, like this one track is given to you. Racing track whose left and right ends are the semicirculars. Okay, and distance between the two inner parallel line segments is 60 meters, and they each 160 meters long. If each track is 10 meters wide, then find the distance around the track along the inner edge and area of the track. So track is given to you like this. Two parallel lines, and here circular ends, and here also two parallel lines and the circular ends. And what is given to you here in this problem? The distance between the two inner parallel line segments is 60 meters. Inner parallel line segments, ये दोनों का बीच क्या है वो 60 meters होता है. So let us name these points as A, B, C, D. Let us name it for our convenience. Just like capsule की जैसा track बना दिया है. One track is made like this. And also given that they are each 116 meters long. Each means either the 116 meters long. Parallel lines. If the track is 10 meters wide, so here let us take the ABCD and P, Q, R, S as a considered. I am naming them. So width is given to you here. How much? 10 meters. Width is given 10 meters. So what are the given things? Let us write here. So given AB is is equal to CD is equals to 16 meters. Distance between the parallel lines. And the length of the track also means length of this parallel lines. So AD is equals to BC. Even PS also is PF and QR are also equals to the same length. That is 106 meters. And width of the track is equals to what you get AP is equals to 10 meters. Not only AP, this will be equal to AP DS also and BQ CR. अभी तक तो समझ में आया?
सर AD इक्वल टू BC इक्वल टू क्या लिखा सेकेंड लाइन?
AB is equal to CD is equal to 60 meters. See, distance between the two parallel lines. ये दोनों के बीच में parallel lines का distance is this one and this one.
नो सर सेकेंड लाइन.
हाँ?
सेकेंड लाइन.
What?
सर AD इक्वल टू BC इक्वल टू सेकेंड लाइन में जो लिखा है आपने क्या लिखा है इसके बाद?
AD equal to BC equal to 106 meters बेटा.
ओके सर.
Because the length is given to you 106 meters. 106 meters is given to you. Okay? समझ में आया?
Yes sir.
Now what the question is that distance around the track along the inner edge. ये inner edge, this is inner edge. ये track का length कितना है? Distance कितना है? Now here the question is given to you. Further what you need to find out here? ये length find out नहीं करना है. ये plus this one plus this one. 2 times of the BC. BC plus yes this is CD and AB will make the one circle. 2 semicircles, isn't it? CD is a circle, semicircular region. वो दोनों मिलके क्या होगा? सर्कल होगा. सर्कल का पूरा डिस्टेंस चाहिए. ये पूरा डिस्टेंस इज नथिंग बट circumference. And here the circular region whatever you are taking is the radius क्या होगा? Radius of inner semicircular part is equals to half of that 30 centimeters. That is radius, inner circular, and outer circular are also equal to capital R separately. Radius of outer semicircular part. ये कैपिटल आर से रिप्रेजेंट है. कैन एनीवन सी व्हाट इज इट? What do we get? We are going to get it as a 40 centimeters because either say the 30 and width is given to you 10. Now the first question is distance along inner track is equals to ये BC लेंथ कितना है? BC लेंथ प्लस AD लेंथ प्लस inner 2 times of inner semicircular distance. Same radius. So what do you get here? BC length is 106. This is also 106. Either side 106 है plus 2 into semicircle distance. Semicircle distance is nothing but pi r. Here radius is equals to pi value is pi r. Actually 2 times pi कर देंगे. This is 1. This is 1. Semicircle का distance क्या है? Circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle का circumference of the semicircle formula is pi r. Actually these two will make the one circle only, but clearly we need to explain that. So now what we do here? 212 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into the radius is equals to small r is equals to 30. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. दिस इज व्हाट डिस्टेंस सेंटीमीटर्स में एक्सप्रेस. ये सिंप्लीफाई करके एक्सप्रेस करना है बस. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Next, second question is asking area of the track. ये कंप्लीट इसका एरिया ऑफ द ट्रैक इज आस्किंग यू टू फाइंड एरिया ऑफ द ट्रैक. सो एरिया ऑफ द ट्रैक, हाउ डू यू फाइंड आउट? See here. This is one rectangle, a rectangle. This is also a rectangle. Two rectangular areas, and these part and this part together, if you are taking two circles, we are going to get. वो दोनों को ज्वाइन कर लो, just like a ring you are going to get. One ring, ये ring हो जाएगा. So ये radius is capital R, ये radius is small r. So pi capital R square minus pi small r square if you are doing, then you are going to get this radius. So what you can write here, area of the triangle is equals to 2 times the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle APSD. APSD का area of the rectangle plus pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Pi capital R square means ये complete area. Pi small r square is nothing but inside area. So this area together will be represented as a pi capital R square minus pi small r square. So what do you write here? 2 into area of the rectangle formula क्या है? AD length into breadth AP. AD and AP plus pi common ले लो here capital R square minus small r square. So which is equals to 2 into AD length कितना है 106, AP 10 है. So pi value here 22/7. R value क्या capital R value 40. 40 square minus 30 square. Simplify करना है इसमें. And this is the final area of the track. So 40 square minus a square minus b square formula apply कर लो. Problem समझ में आया? ये किधर से आया समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? So problem
Yes, sir.
here it is given to you that different parts are given to you, and all the parts together we need to make it as a single part. It is okay? समझ में आया?
Sir.
नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम्स ये इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. सिंप्लीफाई करके वैल्यू यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट हियर. इफ यू वांट हियर दिस वैल्यू व्हाट यू गेट 40 plus 30. ये सिंप्लीफिकेशन इजीली आ जाएगा. दिस इज 200 2120 22/7 70 10 10. So which is 2120 plus 2200. ये तो कैलकुलेशन यू कैन डू इट. दोनों को ऐड करना है सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर वी आर गोइंग टू गेट. ये डेसिमल्स में आएगा, ये डेसिमल्स में आएगा. अदरवाइज यू कैन एक्सप्रेस दिस वन इन द फ्रैक्शंस में भी एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. बट हियर यू नीड टू राइट, सॉरी ये सेंटीमीटर नहीं है, मीटर्स. डिस्टेंस इज गिवन इन मीटर्स. सेंटीमीटर्स नहीं है, सॉरी मीटर्स में लिखा. अब किधर है ये मीटर स्क्वायर. Here also मीटर स्क्वायर. Sorry, because track length is given to you. Did you understand this question?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Ninth question. Question number 9. So what is question given here? AB and CD are the diameters of the AB and CD are the two diameters of the figure 12.1. Okay, two diameters of the circle with the center O. perpendicular to each other. Diameters are perpendicular to each other of a circle center O. Center O circle is taken into consider, and this is center of the circle. Okay, and here it is given to you AB. This is AB, A, B, and this is C, D. Okay, C here it is, D here it is, C it is. These two are perpendicular. It is given here. Okay, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. Like this, OD is the diameter of the smaller circle inside. Circular path is taken. If the OA is equal to 7 centimeters, OA is equal to this is 7 centimeters. And find the area of the shaded region. This region, and here it is given to you. Can you find it? A shaded area. Simple है ये problem. A problem भी complicated नहीं है. You can do it. What to do? See here. First shaded region area of the circle find out करना है. Area of the circle is nothing but pi r. R value is radius. ये diameter. So 7 pi 2 whole square. Circle area plus area of the circle, smaller circle, plus area of the semicircle, bigger semicircle. So semicircle बोले तो half pi, radius क्या है? ये bigger semicircle का radius 7 square. From this you need to subtract the area of this triangle. ये triangle base is equals to कितना है ये? 14, and this is equals to 7. So half into 14 into 7. ये simplify करो, final answer get it. समझ में आया? Simple question है. Problem is given to you just like a complicated figure. Figure is given to you a little bit complicated but not complicated. समझ में आया?
Sir.
Okay. Now let us go to the next question, 10th one. So the area of the equilateral triangle ABC is given to you 17320.5 centimeter square. With each vertex of the triangle as a center, 3 circles are drawn with a radius equal to the half of the length of the side of the triangle. First side of the triangle to be find out here. So here the question is given to you. ये भी complicated नहीं है, question भी. So what is the question here? It is given area of the equilateral triangle ABC. ABC from triangle is given to you, equilateral triangle. This ABC. So here the question is given to you. 3 circles are drawn here like this. A as a center one circle, B as a center one circle, C as a center one circle. This radial area you need to find. Find the area of the shaded region. So what is given here? Area of this one is given to you, equilateral triangle. And side of the equilateral triangle find out कर सकते हैं. After finding the side of the equilateral triangle, the half of the side of the equilateral triangle will be equal to the radius of the circle. Okay, in this problem, if you want to given area of equilateral triangle ABC is equals to given to you 1732.0.5 centimeters. With the vertex, remaining nothing is given to you. And find the area of the shaded region. Pi value to be taken as a 3.14 and root 3 value 1.73205 is given to you. So area of the equilateral triangle formula क्या है? root 3 by 4 a square is equals to 1.7320.5. And here a square is equals to root 3 value is given to you to take 1.7320 by root 3 here into 4. Root 3 value is given to you 1.73205. So what do you get here? Decimal points हटाना है. ये बहुत ज़्यादा बच्चे को confusion हो जाता है. ये इधर डेसिमल पॉइंट हटा दिया तो नीचे एक 10 आ जाएगा 173205 इधर डेसिमल पॉइंट आ जाएगा आफ्टरवर्ड्स हाउ मेनी zeros are there 5 zeros number then 1 lakh number you are going to get इधर डेसिमल पॉइंट हटाया तो नीचे 10 होगा इधर डेसिमल पॉइंट हटाया तो आफ्टर दैट 5 numbers are there 5 digits are there the 5 digits 5 zeros number we are going to get into 4 so this will get cancelled then so we are going to get 40,000 40,000 or 4 into that can be written as 200 whole square so a is equals to 200 so that is nothing but give the length 200 then therefore radius of each circle r is equals to 100 centimeters yeah 100 centimeters now area of the shaded region is equals to area of the equilateral triangle area minus 3 areas to be subtracted and each one since that this it makes an angle of 60 degrees okay and since triangle ABC is equilateral angle BAC is equals to 60 degrees so 60 degrees making sectors 3 sectors so area of the shaded region is equals to first we find out area of the sector this sector area 60 degrees making so area of the sector is equals to 60 by 360 into pi r square so 1 by 6 into pi value is given to you 3.14 to take and radius is 200 square so radius is 100 so into 100 into 100 so what do you get here 314 ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो by 6 this keep it as a centimeter square because one sector we are taken into consider like the 3 sectors to be taken into consider so area of shaded region is equals to area of the shaded region is equals to area of triangle ABC minus 3 times the area of the one sector area. So area of the triangle ABC is what here 17320.5 minus 3 into 31400 by 6 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 ones are 2 1 5 7 that is so 17320.5 minus ये 15700 इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करके सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर में एक्सप्रेस करना है कैलकुलेशन only it includes the calculation only not more than that समझ में आया
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
okay so let us move to the next question here 11th question see here so all the questions are mostly like this only in this complicated question whatever it is there that I am going to explain to you situations I will explain to you so 11th question on the handkerchief 9 circulars are design is given of the radius 7 centimeters made so question number 11 like this ये handkerchief of the square shape 9 circular designs is like this circle here one circle here one circle here one circle and here one circle here one circle here one circle like this equal radius so of 7 centimeter radius is 7 centimeters diameter is 14 centimeters diameter is 14 centimeters and the side of the square is 3 into 14 side of the square is 3 into 14 आ जाएगा ना ये side
Yes, sir.
this width is 14 3 into 14 42 centimeters is the side of the square area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief is asking ये design दे दिया है ये remaining portion is nothing but area of the square is 42 square minus 9 times the area of the circle. Simple question, उसमें कुछ complication ही नहीं है. 12th question is little bit different. I will explain you the 12th question. Okay? So different, simple problem, calculation. 42 किधर से आया? समझ में आया ना ये प्रॉब्लम? So ये 7 centimeters radius है, ये 7 centimeters radius है. The diameter is 14. So ये 14, इधर भी 14, इधर भी 14. Then the total length will become 42. Okay? So it is very simple question. So next, let's move to the next. That 12th question is a little bit different. That question I am going to explain now. So here the question is given to you. The figure is given to you. Little bit different, but not more complicated. OACD is a quadrant. OACD. CB is a quadrant of the circle with the center O, and the radius is 3.5 centimeters, and OD is equal to 2 centimeters. Find the area of it. First, let me draw the quadrant here. Whatever the quadrant is given to you, like this, the figure is given to you. This is a quadrant. O, A, either C, B, and here the point D is given. A problem में complication नहीं. So here radius of the this is given to you 3.5 centimeters is the radius, and here O to B is joined, and this is the shaded region you need to find out. What to do here? Area of the quadrant, first area of the quadrant of OACD, complete quadrant. Quadrant area is nothing but, what is meant by quadrant area? What is the formula for the quadrant area?
Sir, it is 1/4 of circle's area.
1/4 of pi r square. Radius is there already with us. You can find out 1/4 into pi r square. So r value is 3.5. 3.5 square you can do it. And area of the shaded region is asking you. Area of the shaded region find out करने के लिए है तो क्वेश्चन में OD length is given to 2. So since the quadrant makes an angle of 90 degrees at the center, ये center पे 90 degrees होता है. So area of this triangle to be find. Area of the triangle formula is half into base into height you can use. So that this area is 3.5 centimeters square. This area you subtract from the area of the quadrant. This problem is also not complicated. Let us move to the next question here. 13th question. Complicated में last में होगा. Yes. Sorry, actually I thought this problem is a little bit complicated, not this one. So very simple question. 13th question is also given to you. A square is OA. BC is inscribed in a quadrant O. This question is OA BC is a square inscribed in a quadrant OP BQ. So quadrant is given to you like this. O, P, here B, here Q, and here OA B C. OA B C. And OA is equals to 20 centimeters in this. OA is equals to 20. Radius of the quadrant is not given. Please observe properly here. OP becomes the radius and OB becomes the radius. So in this problem what we have given, OA is equals to 20 centimeters and OA BC is square. OA BC is the square. So therefore angle OAB is equals to 90 degrees. Here 90 degrees होगा square meter. Then OB you can find out. That will become the radius of the quadrant. Radius of the quadrant R is equals to OB. That is OB. OB is equals to under root of OA square plus AB square. Sir, AB कितना है? AB कितना बेटा? AB is also equal to say 20 centimeters now, because it is square, it is given to you. So not only OA is equals to AB is equals to BC is equals to OC, all are equal to 20, 20. So we are going to get OB is equals to by the Pythagoras theorem. This is using the Pythagoras theorem. So what do you get here? 20 square plus 20 square. So 20 root 2 centimeters you are going to get. So this radius, this is the radius. Now radius, after getting the radius, you can find out area of the quadrant 1 by 4 pi r square minus area of the square. This shaded region you need to find. Okay, so this problem is you can do it. This part you keep it in your mind and remaining you continue. Okay, next 14. So here the question is given to you. AB and CD are the respectively arcs of the two concentric circles. 21 centimeters radius and 7 centimeters radius. Okay, so here the question. This is also very simple here, and I am giving to you this as a homework to you. So question is given to you already. This model you have completed, like these two concentric circles ka. And here it is given to you 30 degrees, and here it is this radius is 7 centimeters, and this is 21 centimeters. Area of the sector, bigger sector minus area of the smaller sector, you need to find out. Isn't it? Area of the bigger sector minus area of the smaller sector will give you this area. 14th problem. So 15th and 16th are different, that I will explain to you very clearly, and important also examination point of view. Please listen carefully. 15th problem is little bit different when you see that. Okay. 16th is also different only, but easy. So here it is given to you. ABC is a quadrant of the circle. So quadrant of the circle means like this. Here it is given. A, B, C. Like this circles. Quadrant of the circle. Okay. Of the radius 14 centimeters. 14 centimeters. One by one you write. So given AC is equals to AB is equals to 14 centimeters. Okay. And B to C join कर दिया है. BC as a diameter. This one as a diameter. One semicircle is drawn like this. And asking you to find out this shaded region. So what to do here in this case? First BC find out percentage. BC find out because diameter of this is a diameter. Actually here you are going to get a circle. Roughly I am going to draw here. ये circle है. इसमें ये को quadrant है. This is A, B, C, and this one has a diameter. One circle is drawn like this one. So, but here it is. This part is not given to you, and this part is also not given to you. Like this. This is the situation. समझ में आया? Question समझ में आया? So here, how do we find out this shaded region area? Suppose if you find out area of the semicircle, find out कर लो, तो ये complete area you are getting. From this part area should be subtracted. Okay, so here let us divide this regions and dividing as a 1, 2, 3 number देगा, थोड़ा easy होता है. Number देगा, region को ये triangle area region को I am giving to you as a triangle area region को 1 number दे दिया. Next only this part is given to you 2 number and upper part is given to you 3 number. So area of the semicircle is nothing but 2 plus 3. हमको 2 आना. 2 किधर से आएगा? Area of the quadrant minus area of the triangle. So 2 आना है तो second part area region 2 find out करना है तो area of the 1 plus 2 find out कर सकते हैं. Area of the quadrant minus 1 plus 2. ये दोनों cancel हो गए तो 2 आ जाएगा. So that is nothing but for easy understanding purpose I am giving you the regions like this. Okay, so now first thing is area of the quadrant. ये फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमको BC लेंथ कितना चाहिए. So BC is equals to under root of 14 square. Rectangle triangle है ये AC square plus AB square. So which is equals to under root of 14 square plus 14 square. So which you are going to get 14 root 2 BC length. Therefore radius of the circle, semicircle, radius of the semicircle drawn BC as diameter is equals to, that you consider as a yes, capital R here. I am representing this as a capital R. So 14 root 2 by 2. This is equals to 7 root 2 centimeters. Area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle is equals to half pi r square. Half into pi value is 22/7. R value is 7 root 2 into 7. So root 2 value 2 हो जाएगा, 7 cancel होगा. So we are going to get 22 into 7, which is equals to 154 centimeters square. This is what actually the region number 2 and region number 3. For easy understanding purpose, now find the area of the triangle. Triangle ABC is equals to half into AC into AB. So which is equals to half into 14 into 14. So we are going to get 7 4 28 to 98 centimeters square. This is now area of the quadrant. Area of the quadrant. So this area of the triangle is nothing but क्या है? ये one region. Region number 1. Area of the quadrant is nothing but 1 by 4 of pi small r square, because this is the radius small r. This is the radius. ये quadrant. Here capital R क्यों mention कर दिया? वो अलग है, ये अलग है. So that's why I mentioned to you like that shape. Otherwise you can take this one as a small r and there capital, because its length is 7 root 2 and this is 14. So ये काम में ज़्यादा है. So whatever it may be, representation is not doesn't matter. Affect more. Okay. So what do you get here? 1 by 4 into 22 by 7. Here the value is given, not given by value to take anything. So 22 by 7. And radius is equals to 14. So 14 into 14. 7 plus 7 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 11s. So we are going to get 11 into 14. 11 into 14 is nothing but 14 154 centimeters square. So area of the, this is what here, this is what 1 area and plus 2 area together. So now here area of shaded region is equals to area of semicircle minus area of semicircle minus brackets में area of quadrant minus area of triangle ABC. Now what do you get? Area of the semicircle 154 minus area of the quadrant क्या है? 154 minus 98. So we are going to get here 154 minus 154 plus 98, which is equals to 98 centimeters square is the required area. And you observe properly here, we got this semicircular area is same as a quadrant area. Quadrant का area भी same है. Problem समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Very simple here.
No, sir.
So, it is next. Let us move to the next question here. The last question is given to you here, 16th question. Calculate the area of the design. Okay. The design is given to you here. Just I will give the hint to you. You can solve it. It's not very complicated here. See, a square is given to you like this, 8 centimeters. Everywhere 8 centimeters. Here 90 degrees is given, and this like this is given. Two quadrants बोला है. So इसमें भी if you take this is a quadrant. If you need here avoid confusion avoid करने के लिए मान ये region 2 ये 3 area of this quadrant is what? Area of this quadrant area you can find out now. 1 plus 2 आ जाएगा. Is it? Is it clear to you here? ये समझ में आ रहा है?
हाँ सर.
ये क्वाड्रेंट एरिया है, दिस क्वाड्रेंट एरिया, वो 2 plus 3. So actually 2 quadrants area is nothing but half of the semicircle. So area of the 2 into quadrant area because the side is given to you 8, you can take directly. So with that we are going to get this term. From this subtract the area of the circle, square. Area of the square क्या है? 1, 2, 3. ये तीनों का एरिया है. तो ये 1 को 1 कैंसिल होगा, 2 को 2 कैंसिल होगा, 3 का 3. We require 2. So 2 एरिया चाहिए तो सेकंड शेडेड रीजन एरिया चाहिए तो ये क्वाड्रेंट एरिया फाइंड आउट करो. From that square area subtract. Because a quadrant area में this part getting once. In this quadrant area, this part getting once. 2 times we are getting. So from that total area subtract कर लिया तो 1, 2, 3 subtract कर लिया तो we are going to get the required answer. So what you need to do here? 2 times the quadrant area. 2 times the quadrant area is nothing but 2 into quadrant area is 1/4 by r square. R क्या है इधर? ये 8 square. This is 2 times the quadrant area minus area of the square 8 square. This को simplify करो, then the final answer you are going to get it. समझ में आया?
Yes sir.
Simple question है, but idea आना है थोड़ा सा. So regions if you divide like this regions के divide कर लिया तो थोड़ा problem easy हो जाता है. Okay?
Yes sir.